Let's unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch FE and take a closer look at its design and build quality. I'll also compare it with Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and show you how it looks on different wrist sizes, making it easier for you to judge how it will fit on your own wrist. The Galaxy Watch FE is Samsung's most affordable smartwatch. It's important to note that the watch is only available in one size, 40mm. So you get the watch here, nothing else, it's completely empty, and this one, I think it's a paperwork, yeah, and on the other side there will be a charging puck. Yes, that's a charging puck on the other side. Let's put these on the side. Despite being least expensive option in Samsung's lineup, the Galaxy Watch FE boasts nearly all the features found in higher-end models. Its durability is impressive, featuring sapphire crystal glass that is scratch and drop resistant, as well as being dust and water resistant. In terms of health tracking, the smartwatch offers a comprehensive suite of features. You can measure body composition and set fitness goals tailored to your needs. The Galaxy Watch FE supports over 100 workouts, ranging from yoga to swimming, walking, biking, and weight training. It also provides advanced running analysis to help you maximize your running efficiency and performance while offering insight to prevent injuries and achieve personal goals. The watch guides you in finding your ideal pace and enhance your running experience based on your health rate and physical capabilities. Sleep tracking is another valuable feature, giving you insight into your sleep patterns, including how long you have slept deeply and periods of wakefulness. The heart rate monitoring function sends notification if it detects a significantly higher heart rate or irregularities in your heart rhythm. Additionally, an ECG is included for more detailed heart health monitoring. For added safety, Galaxy Watch FE is equipped with fall detection. If a fall is detected, it can automatically send an SOS alert, ensuring you can receive help if needed. Overall, in my opinion, Galaxy Watch FE offers an excellent value for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich smartwatch at an affordable price. Before I show you how it does look on different wrist sizes, let's quickly review the differences between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch FE. Firstly, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers a slightly faster processor. It also comes in two sizes, so you have 40mm and 44mm to choose from. While both watches have 40mm models, the Watch 7 features a slightly larger display, measuring 33.3mm compared to the Watch FE's 30.4mm display. The difference in display size is because Watch 7 has slightly thinner bezels compared to Watch FE's thicker ones. In terms of performance, the Galaxy Watch 7 comes with a 2 GB of memory or RAM, while the Watch FE has 1.5 GB of RAM. When it comes to the storage, the difference is even more pronounced. The Galaxy Watch 7 provides 32 GB of storage, double the Watch FE's 16 GB capacity. Connectivity is another area where the Watch 7 is better than a Watch FE. While Watch FE is only available in a Bluetooth model, the Watch 7 offers both Bluetooth and cellular options, giving you more flexibility. But keep in mind that cellular versions are more expensive than the Bluetooth only versions. When it comes to colors, the Galaxy Watch FE comes in three options: black, silver and gold. In contrast, the Galaxy Watch 7 is available only in two colors: green and cream. So if you're looking for the black or regular silver color in 40mm model, then unfortunately the only option for you is Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, as 40mm version of Watch 7 does not come in either black or silver color. The 44mm model of Watch 7 does come in a silver color, but again, there is no black option available. Battery life is slightly better in the Watch 7 with a 300 mAh battery compared to the Watch FE's 247 mAh battery. However, due to the smaller display on the Watch FE, both watches offer similar battery life overall. So you will get roughly a full day of charge on each watch, but you have to connect it to the charger if you want to use it for your sleep tracking overnight. Lastly, both models feature a similar set of sensors, with the main difference being that the Watch FE lacks the infrared temperature sensor found in Watch 7. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy Watch 7 starts at £289 in UK, while the Watch FE, as I've mentioned above, comes only in one version, so it is priced at £199. For my regular watch, I'm using the Apple Watch Series 10 46mm, so that's why I have set it up this one for my right hand, and the buttons obviously facing outwards. I've got a 20mm wrist, so you can see the band, it says 20mm here. There you go. Yeah, so that's how it looks like on my right hand. I can push it up to 2, but kind of very tight. It's not comfortable, and this is like snug enough that I can move a little bit, but it's tight. Obviously the screen is quite a bit smaller compared to the Apple Watch, but anyway, that's how it looks like if you have 20mm wrist size. So yeah, let me show you some smaller wrist sizes, and then you can decide if it looks good on you or not. And that's how it looks like on 17.5mm wrist size. Okay, that's how it looks like on 16.5mm wrist size. Okay, that's how the watch looks like on 15.5mm wrist size. So in my opinion, I think if you have a wrist size 18 or below, this will look perfectly fine. But if you have a size bigger than 18mm, like I've got a 20mm wrist size, to me it doesn't look very aesthetically pleasing on a larger wrist size. But yeah, as I said, it only comes in one size, and I think it will look really good if you got 16, 17 or anything below. Even up to 18, I think it's still fine. So what is my opinion on this smartwatch? I think if you are a Samsung user, you are using Samsung Mobile, then this is quite a decent watch. Only people I will not recommend this watch, as I said before, the people with the wrist size 18.5 and above. The reason behind it, because of the larger bezel, it doesn't really look very nice on larger wrists. Other than that, it can do most of the things what Watch 7 can do. If you are in a market for a smaller size watch, which is a bit more budget friendly compared to the Watch 7, I think it's a no-brainer. It's a decent build quality, it's a nice looking decent watch, and as I said, pretty much can do all the things that Watch 7 can do. Battery life is decent, sleep tracking, all the new features. The regular retail price on this watch is £199, but as you know, Samsung, they quite often come with deals. At the moment, this watch is coming free with the new Samsung Galaxy FE Fans Edition phone. So if you're interested in that phone, I will leave the links in the description. You can buy it from anywhere and then can go and claim your watch from the Samsung website. I will leave the link of that website in the description as well. If you have any questions, please do let me know in a comment section below. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.